recognition is very appreciated. I think also at the institutional level, it's really good that EPFL's efforts and commitment toward open science are being seen. So I'm Charlie Weil, and I lead ENAC-IT4Research, which is a technical research support team at EPFL, a data scientist and team leader there. So we were a team of data engineers and software developers helping researchers in civil, environmental engineering, and architecture at EPFL with their data and code. So we help them with everything throughout the research data lifecycle, from building research data acquisition pipeline when they need, say, satellite imagery to monitor glaciers melting, or all the way throughout data valorization products, for example, building web maps to display future urban landscapes, things like that. Open science is essential. It's really key to make research more efficient, collaborative, and impactful. So how do we contribute to it with our team? By fostering open science practices and bringing the FAIR principles concretely into technical research outputs, we help researchers build on each other's work, which ultimately makes them more efficient and maximizes the impact of public research funding. So for example, we created a tool to make easily accessible and usable the equations developed in a structural engineering lab for engineers assessing bridge damage. It's really just this linkage, this little tool that makes the science accessible and actionable, whether it is for larger society through citizen science projects or directly for practitioners who can use the latest science insights. So I think the way we do research has really evolved in the past decades. It shifted from individual researchers to larger and larger teams. So collaboration is key, and building on each other's findings is really essential to solve today's pressing issues. We valorize research with really the papers as the only research output is somehow outdated and quite problematic if you look at it from a publisher's fees angle. So we really need to valorize other research outputs and build research commons like living databases, collaborative code bases, shared infrastructures, etc. I think the challenge now is to invent decentralized governance system among research communities and funding mechanisms with the right incentives and recognition systems to really fund the good science and the right tools to do that.